This video is a comparative commentary on how Plato and Aristotle differ on some of their philosophical views and opinions about a certain concept. Who is Plato and Aristotle? They are the most well-known philosophers of ancient Greece. They have different views and opinions on several philosophical concepts. Among the many, I will focus on their views on nature of knowledge and concept of education. On the nature of knowledge, Plato believed in innate knowledge, that learning is a process of recollection, that the soul already possesses knowledge of these universal truths before it enters the body, but this knowledge is forgotten at birth. On the other hand, Aristotle emphasized empiricism, arguing that knowledge is gained through experience and observation, meaning that knowledge is acquired through sensory experience by observing, interacting with, and analyzing the materials around us. In my opinion, I would agree with the belief of Aristotle, as what John Locke believed that people begin life as a tabula rasa, or a blank slate. All the knowledge they've learned are acquired through sensory experience, like teaching our learners and let them explore the certain materials. Through that, they will learn and acquire new knowledge. On the concept of education, Plato believed that education was the key to understanding the nature of reality. Education should be focused on the study of abstract concepts and the pursuit of knowledge, while Aristotle believed that education should be focused on developing practical skills that would allow individuals to live a fulfilling life. The views of these two philosophers on the concept of education are vital to the human existence. As a teacher, I need to inculcate to the mind of my learners the importance of searching and acquiring knowledge. But at the same time, they have to develop within themselves all the necessary skills that they need to learn to live a fulfilling lives. That's all. Thank you.